Welcome to the Maclendon Minute. One of the most standard disclaimers we use in the financial services industry is, past performance does not necessarily predict future results. This does not mean that we ostrich by sticking our heads in the sand, ignoring what has happened, and invest in models based on current macroeconomic activity. It's important to understand the past so that we do not repeat the same mistakes, that we take what we have learned and make more informed decisions in the future. I'm not trying to be overly philosophical, but here we are with the Nasdaq hitting 5,000 again. And although many things are different, how do we make sure we are braced to avoid another dot-com bubble? Is 5,000 the inflection point for the Nasdaq? Well, the short answer is no. The longer answer is in our Maclendon Monthly. In this Maclendon Minute, we thought it would be interesting to take a look at Nasdaq companies from 15 years ago and where they are today. The first is Apple. Today, Apple is much different than the dot-com bubble Apple. Today, its market cap is $755 billion, and it's the largest company in the Nasdaq index. The market cap before the crash was less than $25 billion, and the company ranked 45th on the index. 15 years ago, the iPod, iPad, and iPhone, all staples of today's society, had yet to be released. The second company is Google. Today, if we need the answer to pretty much anything, we Google it. Google is now a verb in our everyday vocabulary. Well, during the dot-com bubble, Google was not even in the technology-driven index. Google is probably one of the best-known IPOs from this 15-year period. It is the number 3 company in the index at $340 billion. WorldCom. No history of the Nasdaq crash would be complete without WorldCom. This company was one of the largest communication companies in the world. Its stock had the 5th largest market cap in the index. Today, WorldCom is perhaps best known for a massive accounting scandal. It turns out that company executive fudged financial statements and WorldCom filed bankruptcy protection in 2002. WorldCom no longer exists. All that said, the Nasdaq index hitting 5,000 is just a number. What matters is the index is so much more balanced, not dependent purely on the tech sector. You have much more stable companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon that comprise the index. And although the index may fall a bit from the 5,000 number due to pure investor bias, we don't expect a bubble to burst at this level. If you have questions about the holistic planning we offer at Maclendon or any wealth management topics, please feel free to contact us at 855-MAC-WEALTH. Thank you for joining us for this month's Maclendon Minute.